Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the PSW or graduate route visa, and this video is going to be super important if you haven't applied yet or you will be applying in the future, so stay tuned. Let's start with what is a PSW or graduate route visa. To put very simply, PSW or post-study work visa allows you to work in the UK after you have successfully completed your course in a UK university. So for example, if you have completed your master's degree just like I did, then you will be eligible to stay and work in the UK for 2 years after your student visa is expired. And in case of a PhD degree, you are eligible to stay and work in the UK for 3 years. Now let's take you to the eligibility criteria of a PSW or post-study work visa, and what you will be seeing on your screen is the official website of the UK government. Broadly, there are 4 conditions that you must satisfy in order to be eligible for graduate route visa. Condition 1 is that you have to be in the UK. That means you cannot apply for graduate route visa application from your home country. Second condition is that your current visa is a student visa. Third condition, as I already mentioned, that you should have successfully completed a course in a UK university and can be a bachelor's degree or a postgraduate degree. Finally, your education provider, such as your university or college, has told the Home Office that you have successfully completed your course, and I'm now going to dive a little deeper into this final point. Does it mean that your education provider has told the Home Office that you have successfully completed your course? What happens is that when you get your final result, you receive an email from the immigration team of your university saying that now you are eligible for the graduate route visa. Please remember that you should not apply for the visa before you get this email, because your application will be automatically rejected. Now I'm going to show you the email that I received from my university, that is the University of Edinburgh, so that you get a sense of it. Again, what you're probably seeing on your screen is the email that I received from my university. I got this email on November 7th, but my result came on November 3rd. So it took about 4 days for me to get this email after I got my final result. This email is very simple. It simply says that, hello, I write to advise that we have today uploaded your results to UKVI in accordance with the regulations. Then they tell you that you are now eligible for the visa, but if you're not planning on applying, then you do not have to take any action. They also provide you with a couple of links which you can definitely check out, and this is really important. They also give you the CAS number which you are going to need when you will be making your application. Please remember to just write it down and save it somewhere. And finally, they just provide you with some of the conditions which I think I've already pretty much covered in this video earlier. And you can just remember that, read it very thoroughly before you start your application. And this is just the email that you get from the University of Edinburgh. I can definitely appreciate that, the structure or maybe a little bit things might vary from university to university, but yeah, this is just to give you a general idea of the email that you might receive from your university. Now let's take you to the cost of the graduate route visa, because I think that's really important. The application fee alone of the graduate route visa is £715. Other than that, you will also have to pay for the health surcharge. Since your visa is going to be for 2 years, if you have completed your master's degree, then you will have to pay health surcharge for 2 years. And it will amount to a total of £1,248. I understand this can be a lot of money, so please be mindful of it before you start your application. Another important question that remains is, what kind of jobs can you do under the graduate route visa? Again, you should be able to see the information that I took from the UK government website. Basically, and in very simple words, you can do most jobs, and you can also be self-employed, except that you cannot work as a professional sports person, and also you cannot benefit from the public funds. Talking about the decision time, in my previous video, if you haven't checked it out, it should be around here somewhere. I said that it took about 18 days for me to get the decision on my visa application, but some of my friends received in about 21 days or 23 days, so the average time period remains about 3 weeks. However, on the website of the UK government, it says that it can take about 8 weeks. So for a safer side, I would recommend that do not apply very late and plan accordingly. Last but not the least, what all documents do you need when you'll be making your application? it's just the BRP, that is the biometric residence permit. That is all that you need for your visa application. And if you guys need more information about the graduate route visa, then there'll be a link down in the show notes which you can definitely check out. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then please like it and definitely subscribe to my channel, because in my next video I'm going to show you all how the visa application looks like and what all questions are they going to ask you. So that is all. Take care and stay happy.